Jeannie was married, and from church she was brought home. And when she and her maidens so merry should have been, when she and her maidens so merry should have been, she went into her chamber and she cried all alone. Come to bed now, Jeannie, my honey and my sweet, for to style you my mistress, well, it would be so sweet. Be it mistress or Jeannie, it's all the same to me. For in your bed, Lord Sultan, I never will lie. And down came her father, he spoken with renown, saying, you who are her maidens, go loosen up her gowns. And she fell down to the floor, oh so close down to his knee, saying, Father, look, I'm dying for my love, Anachie. The day that Jeannie married was the day that Jeannie died, and the day that young Anachie came home on the tide. And down came her maidens, all wringing out their hands, saying, oh, you've been so long, you spent so long on the sands, oh, so